y'all boys, man. We back with another banger, man. Look, y'all. I know y'all hear the car sounding fucking amazing. But today I'm installing these louvers on the back window. Right now I'm finna go get a car wash because you know, like the window got to be clean and shit. So I'm gonna go get a car wash and then I'm gonna clean it a little bit when I get back, like with some alcohol or something. So yeah, I'll probably end up just tapping in with y'all when I get to the car wash. They better clean my shit good. Fuck you talking about? I really need that back window cleaned up. Y'all see cuz scrubbing that bitch right now, but I really love car washes. Like, bro, this shit really, like, I really do this shit often, bro. Like, just be chilling in the car wash, no cap. This shit be, like, cool as hell, bro. Like, you really can just vibe out of this bitch. Like, usually I be listening to music, but obviously I'm recording and shit. But, no, bro, the car wash cool as hell. Oh, so they getting a little rough on my shit. They just shook the shit out the car and shit. God, man, these niggas ain't showing no mercy on this bitch. Like, that's why niggas don't be going to, like, these kind of car washes. But, bro, I don't be feeling like washing my own shit. That shit dead, bro. Like, if I got the option, I know when I get a wrap, I'm gonna have to wrap it, like, wash it myself, bro. But, like, until then, bro, I'm gonna just go to the car wash every time. No cap. One thing I wanna do, though, I wanna swap my steering wheel, but the only reason I haven't is because I don't know if I want the 2015 and up one, because I got the 2015 cluster, but I really like the SRTA one for the second gens. So I don't know. Like, let me know if y'all got an opinion. I really like the SRTA ones, but I feel like since I already did the 2015 cluster, I can't like do the SRTA wheel. So I don't know. All right, y'all. So we done got the car wash. I gotta make one more stop. Oh shit! Wait. I gotta make one more stop. I gotta make one more stop before I go back to the crib. Put these on. I just heard a straight pipe V6. That bitch sounded nasty as hell, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I give y'all one little pull, and then I'm gonna set the camera down till I get back to the crib. Look at this damn Explorer behind me, bro. I thought that was a fucking undercover police car or some shit. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, like, them niggas, like, everybody who own the Explorer, my nigga, you gotta do some shit that make your shit don't like a police car. Y'all be scaring the shit out of niggas. Y'all see we finally made it back home, man. This bitch looking clean as hell. I ain't gonna lie, like, my shit look clean as fuck, nigga. Oh cap, this bitch look clean as hell, man. I love second gens, bro. These bitches so damn tough, but alright, my nigga, so boom. This what we looking like. I throw these bitches on here. Like I said though, you know what I'm saying, it is just me. So I ain't gonna be able to record like every, you know what I'm saying, step. I ain't gonna stop the camera, like, I'm gonna just record like when I can type shit. Like, you know. All right, I think this is good. I think I'm gonna just do it like this, and y'all gonna see. I'm gonna just probably speed it up. You know what I'm saying, or like cut it and shit. So basically, all of this, like, this double-sided tape. You know what I'm saying, I'm sure y'all put it before or seen somebody do it.
Our goods, ice cream, pouring up Sprite, please. 19X with the switchy on it, got the light beam. Call a doc, I wanna sip on purple, I don't like green. I'm in Saks grabbing whatever cost the most, cause I'm a hype.
Alright, my nigga, y'all see, you know what I'm saying, real simple and easy process. I just did that shit in like 2 minutes with it. But after that, now all you gotta really do is just, you know what I'm saying, push it down, like, everywhere. I don't even, like, y'all can't even see it for it, but you can see the little bit right there, but that bitch cracked a little bit. I was pulling that bitch out, but since it's like adhesive, you know what I'm saying, I don't think you're gonna be able to really tell. Also, if you just push the, you know what I'm saying, the shit down, I really don't think you're gonna be able to tell. But then after you do that, just pull on it a little bit, make sure that bitch down, which it is. Yeah, that shit really just took like 2 minutes. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't think it was gonna be that fast. Like, I knew it was easy, but I did not think it was gonna be that damn quick. But I'm saying this is what we looking like in traffic now, my God. This is what we looking like in traffic now. Damn. Yeah, that bitch look tougher, man. This bitch do look tougher, I ain't gonna lie, man. That's what we looking like in traffic now, bro. Next, I'm gonna get my diffuser. That bitch is definitely coming soon. Cause I know, like, at first I didn't know this, but it is a way to put a diffuser on the RT bumper. You know what I'm saying? Then after that, I still gotta get tint. I'm gonna just say tint. I still gotta finish debadging this hoe too. Cause like, as y'all can see, I still got like some of the adhesive on there. But I gotta get tint, finish debadging it, finish my front bumper, and then I still gotta put the spec Ds on here. I do got them. They're actually on my other charger. So I still gotta put my spec Ds on this bitch. Then as far as body work goes, shit, we down there finished for real. I mean, summertime we gonna be doing more engine shit because it's gonna be warmer outside. I wasn't doing no engine shit because it was so damn cold outside. So, you know what I'm saying? Summertime, right around the corner. We gonna be doing little mods here and there. I ain't gonna lie, I am not a rich nigga. You know what I'm saying? So, mods gonna be coming, but nigga, that shit not gonna be like every video type shit. But that's what it look like out the back window. Cause I know people be thinking like you can't see out the back, but that's not true. Like, you can see right out the back window and shit. But yeah, mods gonna be coming, man. I got some engine mods coming in my next couple videos, but I ain't gonna, that shit ain't gonna be every video, cause nigga, I am not rich. But if y'all wanna see me do mods every video, y'all gotta hit that subscribe and like the video. I don't know, I'll give y'all like probably one more walk around. Just so y'all can see. Yeah, this how we coming in traffic, man. Don't even try to look in the back window, my nigga. You can't see in, that's tough. You cannot see in the back window. This bitch look clean as hell right now. Y'all see this crack right here? Yeah. Little shit ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? Little shit ain't shit. But, I'm saying, like I said, spec D's coming. We gonna end up doing them next couple videos. And then, like, my first real engine mod coming. And, yeah. But that's all I got for this video, man. So go ahead, like and comment, then hit that subscribe button if you're new, and I'm out there.